Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 28 June 2025. Economic Outlook. Current Account Surplus. India's Q4 FY25 surplus at $13.5 billion or 1.3% of GDP after 3 quarters. Genomics Market Surge. India's genomics diagnostics to hit $2 billion by 2030 from $550 million in 2024. Gold price impact. High gold prices may alter segment demand. FY25 saw multiple jumps. Legal developments. CAFE norms dispute. One carmaker seeks exemption on emission norms for less than 1,000 kilograms cars. E-Smitrip exit. Rollins ends 60 rupee CR healthcare deal, strategic mismatch cited. Banking and finance. Credit growth slows. Loan growth at 9.6% in June from 20% in March, FM nudges PSBs. PSB capital strong. 10 of 12 state-run banks post CRAR over 17%, aiding credit capacity. HDB IPO frenzy. HDB IPO subscribed 16.7x, demand touches 1.6 trillion rupees in total bids. Q4 account surplus. India posts $13.5 billion surplus in Q4 FY25, strong services drive shift. Pine Labs valuation. IPO lifts Amrish Rao's net worth, driven by stock options and OFS. Corporate finance. Torrent eyes JB deal. Torrent nears 13,461 rupee CR acquisition of JB Chemicals from KKR. JSW buys Akzo stake. JSW pains to buy 75% of Akzo Nobel India for 8,986 crore rupees. Wakefit plans IPO. Wakefit files to raise 468.2 crore rupees via fresh issue and OFS. Biocon wins Canada. Health Canada clears Yesfili biosimilar, launch due 4th July. Leyland truck order. 200 trucks ordered by Instant Transport, 100 already delivered. Mahindra Infra win. Mahindra Life Space to redevelop Mumbai property worth 1,250 rupee CR. International affairs. India's trade talks. Trump signals very big India trade deal amid 9th July tariff pause. China rare earths. India unit not affected by China's rare earth export restrictions. Tax and compliances. Rare earth warning. China's curbs may impact India's EV, defense, and green sectors. ITC FMCG spend. FY25 consumer spend rises 4.6%, GST, inflation still impact growth. Investments and finance. Zillow raises funds. Chirtai and Info Edge fund Zillow to expand fashion tech OPS. JSW fundraising plan. Debt, promoter stake sale to fund Akzo deal, open offer at 3,417 rupees per share. Pine Labs IPO plan. Firm to raise 2,600 rupees CR, peak 15, PayPal among sellers in OFS. DHL expands OPS. 34 rupee CR expansion announced, India contributes 10% of APAC business. ITC launches products. Despite slow growth, ITC adds new items to drive consumer traction. Financial markets. Sensex hits 84K. Ends at 84,059, its highest since October 2024, Nifty at 25,638. Mid, small caps lag. Small cap index down 2.2%, mid cap 0.2% in H1 CY25 versus Sensex gains. Rupee weekly gain. Logs 1.29% weekly gain, best since January 2023 amid easing tensions. Gold prices drop. Gold trades at 95,400/10G, geopolitical calm cools demand. Tea prices rebound. Post-Israel-Iran truce, Kolkata auction sees prices rise to 290 rupees per kilogram.